Hands up, hands up, hands up. If you with it.
Yo, what is up everybody? It's your boy CJ. Welcome to Terminal 24/7. Today we'll be diving into the world of programming and start writing our very first Python script. So smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let go. So you have a computer, you want to code Python on it. The first thing you have to do, you guessed it right, you have to install Python on your computer. So let's go to your browser, any browser you use. I use Google Chrome. Let's just type in install Python. Go to the first link, you see python.org over here, /down. You're going to download the latest version for Windows. It'll be in your downloads folder. Just run it. And this is important, you have to tick this box. Click install now. It's going to install. I'll skip this part, it's going to take a while. Alright, so installation was successful. We're going to close this now. And now what we need is a code editor to write your code in. So it's basically a program that you write code with. And most programmers, myself included, use Visual Studio Code, or in short it's vscode. So let's go to vscode here. You're going to download vscode. It's probably already, yeah, it's already starting to download. So yup, you're going to hit that. You'll start the installation, accept agreement, yada yada yada. Next, install. Alright, so now that you're done, launch it. This is what it looks like. Alright, you got your code editor open. So now what we want to do is go back to our desktop and create a new folder. You can also type Ctrl-Shift-N on the keyboard, it creates a new folder. And we're going to name it My First Python Project. This is going to be your first Python project. So this folder is going to is the place, is where you're going to store all your project files or your Python files. So we're going to open it in the code editor. Go to Explorer, the icon on the top left. Open the folder. You're going to look for the folder you've just created. It's on the desktop. My First Python Project right here. Boom, it's open. So the folder is open in the code editor. So if you create a file in here, the file is also created in the folder outside. So we create a file here. We're going to name it whatever, or let's say myapp.py. Alright, so one thing to note here, this .py extension to the file here is what indicates that this file is a Python file that contains Python code, so Python can run it. Hit enter. Here we're going to write our very first Python line of code. Are you ready? Let's go. print double quotes, what is up everybody, or whatever you want in there, and we're going to save it. To save it, Ctrl+S, or I believe you can also go to file and save here. You got the hotkey listed over here. So to run this file, we need to bring the terminal up. So the terminal right here, your terminal, you got your terminal over here. Alright, so let's run the file. So using Python, when you want to run a file, you just type Python and the file name followed by a space. So our file name is myapp.py. Hit enter. Boom, there's your first print statement. Congratulations. Alright guys, there's your first line of code, there's your first Python script. If you like this content, smash that like button, hit subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.